Guys, we're gonna try to change these turn signal bulbs on this Firebolt, and you know, these things dry rot right on those little cracks. So, you know, I ordered some new ones. I ordered OEM from the 2010 model. This is 2006. So, first off, let's remove everything we got to remove. First, let's remove these bolts under the seat, or under the tail section. Well, first thing you want to remove are the rider and passenger seats. Now, remove the two bolts close to the rear shock. Make sure you get those little plastic washers too. Okay. So there are two bolts right in front of the passenger foot pegs. Now, let's try to pull our rear tail section back. Drop the tail, just take out the bolts that hold the license plate on. Now we can get to all of our plugs, the screws that are the bolts that hold the actual license plate on. Okay guys, I got a 13mm wrench to get these bolts off the license plate. You just crack them loose and pretty much use your fingers after that. So, blue and black. Okay. That's a reflector. There is the right side. When you put these in, you want to make sure the little hole is facing down. You know, it's your drain hole for water. So I'm just running each one of these plugs through one at a time so they fit better. Go. Now run your washer one at a time. Down. Now your nut. All the way down. Okay. Put that one there. Just hand tighten it. Go over. Remember which plug you pull it out of, because they're both two brown wires. Okay. Run them under the tail light bulb. Blue and black. Well, let's see if it works. There it is. Those definitely look better. I should have gone with the LED look, but I like to make the bike look as stock as possible. And again, you're tight. The reflector fell off. Blue and black. Out. is your left turn signal. Again, make sure the little drain hose is facing down. Nut goes on first. Or washer goes on first, rather. Then the nut. There's slid all the way down. Your turn signals have a little tab on them, so make sure that is in place before you start cinching it down. Let's make sure it works. There you go. So guys, I'm just gonna button all this back up, and I just need to, I'm gonna clean it up a little bit. I don't think it's ever been off, but that's all you have to it. Just reverse order everything and button it back up and you're good. But tune in for the next video. Thanks guys.